Yo, what's good guys, it's Yamil and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys my spring outfits of the week. Just simple, casual outfits that I'd wear during the week. Hopefully give you guys some inspiration. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and let's get right into it. Alright, outfit number one, let's start with the cozy, casual fit. Damn, I feel like I say cozy every damn video. But anyways, we got the cold buxton tee up top, the 90s back baggy pants, and then some Air Force Ones. An easy, simple spring outfit. Okay, outfit two, we're dressing up just a bit. I'm wearing the Cold Laundry Synch shirt in black up top. I just picked this up on sale and I love it. Some light wash jeans on the bottom, and then I just paired it up with some Doc Martens. Hands down, this is probably my favorite fit of the week. Okay, outfit three, back to cozy, because shoot, once you get a good day out of me, you get lazy the next. So we got the Cause white tee up top, the cold buxton sweatpants, then my Nike Cortezes, and then I threw on a denim jacket for the cooler spring nights. Alright guys, so outfit four, we're back to dressed up. We have the Cause cotton twill jacket, the Cause white shirt, some wide leg crop trousers, then to finish it off with some low top Doc Martens. Alright, last but not least, the I don't know if it's hot or cold outfit, but shoot, I like it. We got the Uniqlo white button up, the Cause white tee again, the cold buxton shorts, and of course, the Air Force Ones. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content. And guys, thank you for the ongoing support. It's been crazy. Love y'all. And yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace.
Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah.